Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a DIY project to make a beautiful planter using a broken cup. You do not need any artistic skills to make this planter, and we will need just very few materials which are easily available in the market. Here are the materials we need. I am using dry plaster of Paris, white glue, a small cup for making paste, a spoon or stick for mixing, and some water. Let's make the paste first. In a cup, take around 2 tablespoons of dry plaster of Paris. Now add glue into it. I am using approximate 1 tablespoon of glue here. Now mix the mixture little bit before adding water. Gradually add water and mix it to check the consistency of the paste. Here I have added just a tablespoon of water. The paste looks too runny, so here I am adding little bit of dry POP again. After mixing, now I am adding little bit of acrylic paint here. This is not necessary, but if you have it, you can add it. Mix it nicely and our POP paste is ready for application. I am using little broad brush here to apply this paste on the cup. Make sure you clean the cup before you apply this paste. Initially, you might feel that it is not sticking on the cup, but once it is dried, you will see the difference. We will be applying 2 coats, so don't worry too much. Just apply it all over and don't forget to apply on the bottom of the cup. Once it is done, let it dry completely before you apply the second coat. My first coat has dried up completely and now I am applying the second coat of the POP paste. After applying second coat, leave it for drying for an hour or so. Once second coat is dried up, you will see that whatever print you have on the cup is almost gone. Now we are going to give some texture on the cup, so for that I have to make the paste little bit thicker. Add some POP and mix it properly. As you can see, I have not mixed too thick paste because I just want to give very light texture. Apply paste nicely on small portion first and give texture using a fork or a comb. I am using fork because I want to give wooden texture, but you can give any other texture of your choice. I just wanted to make it very simple, so I chose that. Now do it all over in the same way. If you have any uneven surface on the cup, you can fix it while texturing. Sometimes you might have to apply texture paste couple of times to fix that. Once done, let it dry for at least 1 day and then you can start painting it. This is how it looks once it is dried. Since I want to paint it like a wood, here I am using yellow color and brown color. You can use any other color as per your choice. Take out little bit of both the colors in a plate and start painting it. We will start with the brown color first and just paint the smaller area first. For shading, we have to paint yellow color before brown color dries up, so paint that as well. Because of texture paste, you will feel that paint is drying pretty fast, so just paint both the colors simultaneously. Don't worry too much about the shading, just use more of brown color with little shades of yellow. In the similar way, paint it all over, including the bottom part, and let it dry completely. This is how it will look once it is painted and have dried completely. Now we will do the final step of applying the varnish. I am going to use gloss varnish, but you can use even matte one. In a small cup, just take out little bit of varnish and using a broad brush, start applying it. Do not skip this step. It is very important to protect the paint from dust and water. To be on the safer side, I have applied 2 coats of varnish. You can even use the varnish spray if you have it. Once it is done, let it dry completely. You can use it the way you want. I have planted this beautiful bamboo plant into this, and this is how it looks.